Good morning, everyone. I want to first of all thanks Scott Pintel and entire LSI team for putting this great event. Everyone can understand that's not an easy task to pull out this event. So I'm here for different reasons. Some of you guys are here, investor community to invest in companies. All the CEOs of medtech startups are here to raise funds. I'm here for a different reason. I'm here to share my experiences what I have learned, especially in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science, specifically to the medtech device or medical device industries. So you might have heard Scott this morning keynote. He talks about a lot in AI, ML, and data science and how it's a present for the medtech industry and the future. So I think this presentation is really going to be helpful if you are investing in a medtech companies focused in AI, ML, and data science, or you are a CEO of the company who is focusing on AI, ML, and data science right now or in the future. So without wasting much of a time, we'll get started. So before I share my experience, I want to introduce my company. So company name is Dash Technologies. We are located in Columbus, Ohio. We are #1 fastest growing company in Columbus, Ohio by Inc. 500 magazine. We are more than 150 programmers, developers, and analysts, and all A-level talent. We run projects 24/7 because of our global presence. We have offices in Columbus, New Jersey, and India. And we are a family-owned business, and we have more than 150 clients, and we are adding new clients every single month. So these are some of our flagship offering. So we heavily focus on healthcare, AI, ML, and data science, along with custom software, web applications, data analytics, desktop applications. But these are some of the areas we heavily focus because this is going to be the future for the industry. If I talk about the medtech industry specifically, we provide the custom medtech software. Again, includes desktop app, web apps, mobile apps, and also we help CEOs and the early startup companies. That's where our main focus is to innovate around new medtech products that is going to help the industry, and that's where we thrive best. So we are a ISO 9001 certified company. We have an expert team, all full-time in-house, who understands the HIPAA and different FDA compliances to make sure that product gets commercialized on time with the full compliance. So I want to share the secret formula in AI, ML, and data science because this is very unique. This is new to the medtech industry. Not a lot of people are familiar. So here, whoever is from the investor community, I want to share my thoughts, my learnings, and maybe that can help you make a better decision and choose the right companies. Of course, when you're looking for companies, you're looking to make sure they have great engineers, programmers, developers, full-time, or they have established a partnership with the companies like us to make sure they have the best team to execute the vision and product. But along with that, you want to make sure that they have a team who understands the HIPAA really well and FDA compliance. Again, that is very critical to commercialize the product, and that's the key for success. So that's my message to the investor community here today. And overall, in AI, ML, and data science, what we have learned is to make a really good success in AI, ML, and data science, you need to have a small elite team. All needs to be A-level talent. This is not something, an engineer sitting behind the desk wearing hoodie and doing the programming. It's not going to work. AI, ML, and data science is all about collaboration. So you have to make sure it's a small team and super collaborative team. That is going to be a successful formula if you're trying to build a product or a company around AI, ML, and data science. So all the CEOs are here, startup CEOs. I am a CEO as well, startup, running the fastest growing company in Columbus, Ohio. I get it, man. It's hard, it's difficult, it's everyday hustle. As Scott mentioned earlier, you got to change, you got to adapt. Every day new things going to happen. So whoever is looking for funding, Here is what investors are going to expect. As soon as you get the money, they are going to expect speed. They want you to release the product. If it is not commercialized, fast to the marketplace. If it is already commercialized, then they want you to sell more. So the speed is going to be the key. They also want to make sure that you have proven track record. You have a team member which is already have a proven track record. If not, the investors want to make sure that you are partner with the companies. They have proven track records. So either way, they're going to make sure you have proven track record. They are also going to make sure that you need to have A-level talent in your organization to make it a success. And also, I want to mention here, whether you hire a full-time members in your organization or you partner with the companies, you have to make sure that the company or the partner or the employees are working with you, not against you. Again, I'm reflecting the thoughts from earlier keynote Scott mentioned. You have to make sure everything comes along with you and not trying to become a roadblock and go against you. So you have to make sure they are super collaborative, and a small team always works, especially for startups. So this is the prescription of success, I call it, and this is what I have learned while working with a lot of different medtech startups and also Fortune 500 companies. So we have clients all across the board, and we see different things working for different companies. And this is the prescription of success that I want to share with the investor community and all the startup CEOs. So I want to share one success story, a real life example, how it has really worked out, whatever I just told, for Kevin Unger. Right now, he's a VP and GM at Zimmer Biomet for MIS and sports medicine. So before he became a vice president and general manager at Zimmer, he was running his startup Incisive. He was trying to build an integrated smart operating room, right? And he had a artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science in building it. But he's a very visionary guy. He's a seasoned executive, worked with the multiple Fortune 500 companies like Stryker and different companies. So he had a proper exit strategy from day one. He knew how much R&D needs to be done, what are the R&D areas he needs to perform. So what he did really smart, he partnered up with the different companies rather than hiring a bunch of full-time employees, and then he partnered up with the different companies for different R&Ds. And he was looking for advice around how much to invest in R&D and compliance, and DAS technology helped him throughout the process. Not just that, when Zimmer Biomet approached him and tried to acquire his company, we helped him through the entire audit process. We made sure the code quality is there, which is up to the mark for Fortune 500 company. And we wanted to make sure that whole process was successful, because as I mentioned earlier, small and agile team who is ready to adapt and who is ready to make changes as per the vision. Thank you so much, guys, for listening me out. If you have any question, I'll be around here. Stop me, and we have a booth over there. Grab my contact detail. Feel free to reach me out if I can be any help for you guys. Thank you so much.